Welcome to Gerund versus Infinitive practice. Today we learn when to use gerund, which is verb plus ing form, and when to use infinitive, which is to plus base verb form. Choosing the correct form is important for good English grammar. A gerund is a verb plus ing that works like a noun. For example, swimming is fun, reading is good exercise, and infinitive is to plus the base form of the verb. For example, I want to learn. It is time to go. Gerunds act as nouns. Infinitives can act as nouns or show purpose. Here are clear examples. For gerunds, I enjoy reading books. She avoids making mistakes. He finished writing the letter. For infinitives, I want to learn English. She needs to study harder. He decided to go home. Notice which verbs use gerund and which use infinitive. Here are the basic rules. Use gerund after prepositions like for, by, without. Use gerund after verbs like enjoy, avoid, finish. Use gerund as subject of sentence. Use infinitive after verbs like want, need, decide. Use infinitive after adjectives like easy, hard. Use infinitive to show purpose. Let us see example sentences. I enjoy reading novels every evening. She avoids talking loudly in the library. They finished cleaning the house before guests arrived. I want to travel around the world. She decided to join the dance class. He needs to finish his homework before dinner. Now practice time. Fill in the blanks. I enjoy blank books. Verb is read. She wants blank English. Verb is learn. He finished blank his homework. Verb is do. They avoid blank mistakes. Verb is make. I need blank harder. Verb is study. She decided blank early. Verb is leave. Here are the correct answers. I enjoy reading books. She wants to learn English. He finished doing his homework. They avoid making mistakes. I need to study harder. She decided to leave early. Practice these patterns to remember which verbs need gerund and which need infinitive. Now read this dialogue and notice the gerund forms. Have you ever considered traveling abroad? Yes, I have always dreamed of exploring the world. That sounds amazing. How about starting in Europe first? I am definitely open to experiencing different cultures. Great. Let us start planning our trip. Now write your own sentences. Use these verbs: run, read, write, swim, jump, cook, dance, sing, walk, talk. Make sentences like I enjoy reading or I want to swim. Choose gerund or infinitive based on the rules we learned. Here are the key takeaways. Gerunds after enjoy, avoid, finish, mind. Infinitives after want, need, decide, hope. Prepositions always take gerund. Practice makes perfect. Remember to check the verb before choosing the form. Keep practicing and you will master gerunds and infinitives.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.